Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a pair of DIY fur flip-flops. So to get started, I bought a pair of blue flip-flops from Five Below, and of course they were $5. Also I got a pair of black slides from Walmart. They were $5.89. I also grabbed a pack of these giant glue sticks for $5 and a new glue gun. It was around $5 as well. And also I grabbed an assortment of feather boas. I got those from Michael's and JoAnn Fabrics. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to go ahead and cut open the glue sticks so that we can get started with the project. Okay, here I'm just going ahead and cutting off all the tags off of both pairs of the shoes. Okay, so time to go ahead and get started. So I'm taking my white feather boa. That's the color I'm going to be using on the black slides. I'm just taking that. There's a little, it's tied up at the end for whatever reason. So I got that loose and I'm going to go ahead and start gluing that onto the slide. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to do it in a back and forth motion. I'm not necessarily going to cut the feather boa until the end because I'm going to try to prevent feathers from falling all over the place and destroying my carpet. As you'll be able to see in the video, yeah, that didn't really happen. But you'll see here, I'm just cutting off the little excess piece of string, boa, rope, whatever it is to hold the boa together. I'm just cutting that off right now so I can get started. Okay, it's time to get gluing. So as you can see here, I'm kind of just measuring up where I want the boa to be at. So what you're going to do is you're going to start at the very top and line it up. Take some hot glue gun and put it on the very tip of the slide. Okay, so then you're going to carefully place the feather boa on the hot glue. Now be careful because I burnt my hand several times because I'm clumsy. But basically you're just going to put it down, press it down real nice and hard to make sure it's sticking. And then I'm just taking the hot glue and I'm putting a line underneath where I put that line at. And I'm just doing a back and forth motion like I said. And I'm just folding it and going in a line and going across the shoe. Okay, so time to start the next row. So when you're doing the next row, make sure you're pushing back the feathers from the first row, just so you don't get a whole bunch of glue in the feathers, and it's easier for you to be able to see, and you can make sure that you're actually laying the string part of the boa on the actual hot glue and not on top of the feathers. It can get a little confusing at times, but it's not really hard. Okay, as you can see here, I'm laying down some more hot glue so I can continue with the back and forth motion. So I'm just going to lay that glue down and then I'm going to fold the feather boa over again to go back the other direction. And basically you're just going to continue to do this back and forth until you complete the rest of the shoe. Okay guys, make sure you're pressing everything down nice and firm, as you can see me doing here in the video, to make sure it's sticking to the shoe very well. Okay guys, so here's the finished look for the white pair. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be showing you how to make the multicolor pair. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the colors black, green, purple, blue, and pink. And I'm going to be layering those in a straight line, just one line of each. I feel like I should have did 2 lines of each, but it's okay. They still came out cute. Okay, and once again guys, you guys can see that I didn't cut the boa when I got to the end of the line. So basically all I'm doing is starting with the other color, and then once I need to use the color again, I'm just going to roll it underneath all the colors and then glue a line of the next color down. Okay guys, as you can see here, I'm ready to start using the black again. So like I said, I roll it underneath all the other colors, and then I put a layer of glue down. And that way I'm not cutting the boa and getting all kind of extra shedding from the feathers. Okay, so now that I have all the colors laid down, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the ends of all the boas. So I'm going to clip them all, and then I'm going to use some hot glue to glue the edges of them down. Okay guys, so here's the final look for the multicolor slides. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a fat thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.